Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to cover the topic data output stream and data input stream. This data output stream is used to write the primitive data types into the output stream, and this data input stream is used to read the primitive data types from the input stream. So this data output stream extends the class filter output stream, and which implement the interface data output, and it provides the various methods for the data output stream like size, write. We have write byte array, write boolean, write character, write chars, write bytes, write bytes in which we can pass strings, then write int we can pass integer value, and write short we can pass an integer value, short, long. So it will provide all the functionality to write the primitive data into the output stream. Then we have this flush is used to flushes the output stream. And then we have data input stream class. This class is used to read the primitive data from the input stream, and this data input stream extends file input stream class and also implement the data input interface, and it provides the various method to read the data from the input file, like input stream, like read byte array. You can read the byte array, read byte array start point to end point, then read int, read byte, read character, read double, read boolean. So these are all the methods provided by this data input stream class in order to read the data from the input stream. So what we will do, with the help of an example, we will see how to write the data into the file and how to read them. So we have this data output stream example, and first we will create the file output stream, and we will create a file data.txt, and we will pass this file output stream to data output stream as a parameter. Then in data output we will write int, write char. We are writing integer value 100, so whatever the ASCII value of 100 will be, that will be displayed on the console. That will be write into the file. It will write that value into the output file, this data.txt. Then we have this write char, so whatever value we have at 65, for example 65, we have capital A, then we can write, suppose if we want to write dot write bytes, we can pass a string to this hello Java. So let's run this program and see the output. As here you can see that we have success, and then we will see, and this is our text file data.txt. when we will open this, here you can see that DA, this is 100, this is 65, then we have string hello Java. So it has written the text into the file, this data.txt. So with the help of this data output stream class, we can write the primitive data into the output stream. Now next what we need to do is, we will read this data from the input stream. So we will create a class data input stream example, public static void main method, and finish. And here we will create the object of this input stream. First we will create the object of file input stream input is equal to new, and we will pass the file which we want to read, data.text. So this is our file which we want to read, and we will import this file. And after that, data output file, data, oh, what we need is input, data input is equal to new, copy, and here we will pass the input, save, and import. So here what we can do, we can use here input stream, and we will import this input stream. We will pass the input stream as a parameter here, and throws exception. So here you can see that we have this input stream, and we will read the data from this data.text, which will be provided by this input stream, and we have passed this input stream as a parameter to the data input stream. And after that, what we need is, after that, in order to read the data, we have this various method available here, like read byte array. So we will read this as a byte array and see the output. What we will do, first we will int count. First we will see how much data is available there. So this available will pass us, it will tell us the number of data available there. Now what we will do next, we will create a byte array, equal to new byte, and we will pass the count as a parameter. So here we have this byte array, and we have passed the count as a parameter. Now we know that how much is the size of this array. We know the size of this array. Now what we can do next is, we can read this data, read this byte, and what is byte here, array. Now we have all the data in the array. It will read all the data from the input stream and store that in the array. Now what we can use, for each byte b and array, and we can system.out.println, or just print. And here what we will do, we will display as b, or we can typecast b into character. So let's see the output. What is the output? And here you can see that TA hello world Java. So whatever value we have in the text file here, that will be displayed on the console. So with the help of this data input and data output stream, we can read and write the primitive data from the output stream or input stream. So thank you for